This motorhome has a real working engine, real suspension, functioning steering, and over 1,500 handmade parts. Every bracket, every hinge, every gear machined by hand. What you're about to see took over 800 hours to complete. This is the story of how a pile of raw metal becomes a fully functional, drivable luxury motorhome at 1/8 scale. Building something this complex starts with planning every single component. We're talking about a scratch-built motorhome with a real miniature engine, working transmission, and functional suspension. The project breaks down into over 12 major phases, and each phase has dozens of tiny operations. Individual brackets, door latches, suspension arms, wheel hubs, exhaust sections, seat frames, dashboard pieces. Every part needs to be designed, measured, and fabricated by hand. Everything starts with the ladder frame. Tiny aluminum beams are measured with precision calipers, marked and cut. Mounting points for the suspension, engine, and gearbox are milled with extreme care. Joints are brazed in multiple passes, then ground smooth. The frame has to be perfectly straight. Any flex here means problems down the line. Multiple test fits with the body shell make sure everything lines up before moving forward. Tiny control arms, hubs, and spring perches are machined individually. Brake discs are turned on a mini lathe, drilled with bolt patterns and paired with handmade calipers. Miniature coil springs are wound by hand. Each corner of the chassis gets its own suspension setup. parts sanded and painted before assembly. Gears are machined, lapped, and assembled with proper bearings. Every wire is soldered, heat shrunk, and routed neatly. The engine is built from dozens of individual components: a multi-part crankcase, cylinder head, intake manifold, exhaust, pulleys, flywheel, and a miniature carburetor. The transmission is a simple reduction gearbox with real meshing gears. The interior tub slides into the body. The body mounts onto the rolling chassis with proper alignment points, designed so the shell can be removed for maintenance. Each door is built with working hinges, tiny magnets or latches, and window frames. The output shaft connects to a drive shaft, then to a rear differential. Electronics bring the motorhome to life. The engine gets a mini ignition module, wiring loom, fuel pump, and kill switch. Every part goes through dry assembly first. Movement tests, then painting, then final bolt-up. Nothing is left to chance. This is where things get serious. The steering system includes a fully functional rack, tie rods, and linkages. Turn the wheel, and the front tires actually pivot. The first bench test is satisfying. Engine running, wheels spinning, drivetrain working perfectly. Every piece goes through multiple trial fits over the rolling chassis. This is where the motorhome starts looking like the real thing. The grille gets separate chrome bars, an emblem ring, and fine mesh background. Seats are built from wire and brass frames, shaped foam, and stitched faux leather covers. The body shell is built in sections. Lower shell first, side panels, floor, wheel arches, door and window openings cut out carefully. The interior is its own project. The tub includes a floor with step-up to the cab, side walls with window reveals, and a ceiling with recesses for lighting. The bathroom has a shower pan, tiny door, molded sink, and toilet. Every hinge hole is drilled, every tiny screw installed. Clear plastic is cut for the windshield and windows, heat formed to match the curves, and fitted into rubber-like seals. Side steps get textured surfaces. Graphics are masked and sprayed or applied as custom decals, then protected with clear coat. The kitchen includes tiny cabinet boxes with functioning doors, a metal sink, mock hob, and a micro-fridge door that opens. The roof comes next. High roof profile shaped by hand, skylight openings added, roof rails and AC unit pod fitted. The front clip requires the most detail work. Headlights are multi-piece assemblies with reflectors, lenses, and tiny LEDs. Inside the cabin, LED strips run through the roof, with spotlights above the lounge and bed. The dashboard features gauges with printed dials, a steering wheel, shifter, and a tiny infotainment screen with printed UI. Bumper, grille recess, headlight buckets, hood with proper inner bracing. Every door and hatch is adjusted until gaps are perfect and everything opens and closes crisply. Tail lights get individual red, amber, and clear segments. Mirrors, handles, and trim are all machined separately. A final polish removes fingerprints and glue marks. The paint gets one last inspection. Engine mounted with rubber isolators. Throttle and steering linkages connected. No body fitted, just frame, wheels, and engine doing circles on the floor. Before the body goes on, the rolling chassis gets its first real test. This is the moment of truth. If something's wrong, now is the time to find it. Final details make all the difference. Tiny badges, number plates, tire sidewall lettering, subtle panel line washes add depth. A touch of brake dust on the wheels, soot at the exhaust tip for realism. And here it is. Doors open, hood open, showing the engine bay. Interior lights glowing. Slow passes on the track. The steering actually works. Suspension compresses over bumps. The engine starts with a real exhaust note, maybe even towing a tiny trailer behind it. Scale, 1/8. Engine type, working miniature gasoline. Build hours, over 800. Handmade parts, more than 1,500. If you made it this far, you're exactly the kind of person who appreciates this level of craftsmanship. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. More builds like this are coming soon.